No matter the graphic card you have on your laptop, if you are not running on the latest version of that graphic card, you're not going to enjoy the best of your graphic card. That is why it is always good to know how you can manually update your graphic card or update it automatically. This video is going to cover the two processes. So if you have been looking for a way to update your graphic card on your device, then this video is for you. If you find this video helpful, please do subscribe. And don't forget to drop your comment in the comment section. First, right click on the start menu here, select device manager. Now come to this place at display adapter, open it. Now here you have the name of your graphic card, either Intel, NVIDIA or AMD. So here I'm having an Intel graphic card, so install on my device. So yours might not be the same, but this is the process to install it. Right click on the graphic card, click on update drivers. So here's the drivers, right click on it, then click on the update drivers. You have these two options: search automatically for drivers or browse my computer for drivers. So click on this one that says search automatically. Now if you see this that says your best driver for the device are already installed, that is good, you are good to go. Then you may click on this to take you to a window whereby you need to update your Windows, and if that is happening, then you are good to go. Now that you know that this has been installed, you can easily check whether it is installed or not. Come to the graphic card driver again, right click on it, then select properties. Once select properties, you have it here. Then go and click on this date. Then you'll be able to see the date your driver was installed. Then you can also click on this button to install your drivers. Now that I've done this, your driver has been manually updated on your device, irrespective of graphic drivers you have on your device, Intel, AMD or NVIDIA. Now the second process is very simple, is to head over to these websites. So I will drop the link in the video description. Here is Intel driver. If you use Intel driver, click on the link or you copy the link, it takes you to this interface. Click on this download button. Once you click on download button, it downloads automatically, then install on your device. Then if you use NVIDIA rather, then here you have to click on the link, it brings to this interface. Then manually search for driver, you type driver you want to search for here, you select your product category, you select your product series, product number, you select your operating system. So you have different operating system here. Then you select English, then you click on find. So this will bring the driver you are looking for to your page. Then click on driver, download it and install on your device. The last process here is this that support AMD. Now once you click on the link in the video description, it brings you to this interface, Windows 11 and Linux driver. You see that? So auto detect and install drivers update for AMD. Now click on this button to download this on your device. From there, install. And if you are using Linux driver, then this is for Linux users rather. Then click on it and download and then install on your device. So with this, guys, you've been able to update graphic drivers on your laptop, thereby making your machine to perform to its best. So that's all, guys. If you enjoy what I've explained in this video and you've not subscribed, please subscribe. Don't forget to like, share, and we enjoy your comments in the comment section. See you soon, guys, on our next video.